left me in his front garden with his toolkit and went, yeah, just take what you want, mate. Dyno day, baby.
Look at this place. It's clean. I spent probably 8 hours yesterday on this place. We've just had a bunch of projects going on in the past couple of weeks. Haven't tidied. November, December, January was just chaos, so I just haven't sorted this place out and it was stressing me out. So look at it now. I'm stoked. We actually have a pretty sick day today. Andy's doing his cam on his Volvo. Jack's E36, we've just got running, so he needs to like button that up. We're gonna have a barbecue, get the ledge out, ride some bikes. It's gonna be a fun little day. Before we do that though, I've done the front half of the warehouse, so this is all tidy, but I haven't touched this back half yet, which is an absolute bomb site. So I've got to organize all of this. These fleeces are so big, they don't fit in like our storage boxes. You can only get 2 of them in one of these black boxes, and we have a fair bit, so I absolutely can't stand cardboard boxes lying around. I don't mind them being here, I just don't like seeing them. I'm just gonna smash this out. All right, so we've got small, medium, large, double X, triple X. So they're all organized. So now I can put them in the pile, back there. Done. Tidy. They're stacked up. Looks ugly, but if you look from here, you can't see any cardboard. Whilst I'm organizing all those fleeces, I'm gonna do a quick plug. So if you wanna help me out and clear a bit more space in my warehouse, then go grab one of these fleeces. These are the most expensive product we've ever made, but they are ridiculous. They come in black and camo, and this is like the lining. They're like super thick. Yeah, they're sick. I'm also gonna run a deal. So if you wanna get one of these, then you will get a free t-shirt as well. We've got the embroidered tees. We've got sand, we've got black, we've got sage, which is like a snazzy green color, and we've got white. All you gotta do is just add both of them to your cart. So add the fleece jacket and the t-shirt, and then put in this code, and then you'll get the t-shirt for free.
Go on then, dog.
Fucking chill it.
Look at this setup. We've got the ledge out, the rail out. What's going on with your car?
New cam. Big fruity cam. Anyone knows Volvos? It is a H cam.
H cam.
Which is the biggest one you can get.
Nice.
Thanks to James and all the boys are here.
Big vibe.
What's on?
What are you doing here then?
Changing the cam on Andy's car. How have you snaked this?
Somehow.
How have you got me doing it? Mate, this seal is like welded in there.
It's never come out.
Hang on.
How much brakes is going to add then? 5?
100, something like that.
100?
Brilliant.
Will be 100.
Can we get it on the dyno after this?
Yeah, let's get on the Dyno.
Jack's doing this. Give me the story of this car because I don't know.
So we put a 6-pot from that scrap compact in it. That blew up.
At a skid day.
Yeah, I remember all the fan signs, head gasket went.
Yeah.
Bought this out of a car that hadn't ran for 10 years.
It was out of a
5 series.
5 series.
Yeah, so I had to change everything. I just needed the bones.
So it's still an M52 B25. But this was the biggest pain in the ass.
Everything just wasn't going right. And we've only just, about 5 minutes ago, got it running right.
Doesn't sound good. That is the worst cam that they made in these engines. They only put them in there for emissions.
Yeah!
Where's the other one? Oh, yeah.
That's good news then.
That means he's gonna get like a lot of fucking power.
How do you know it's the bad one?
M.
M cam.
That was
Man cam.
mayonnaise.
Mayo cam. Happy?
Buzzing.
Nice.
That is nice. Can't wait for the MPG now.
Oh, they're going to be worse, aren't they? Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect time for it.
That actually doesn't sound that much more lumpier, does it?
It probably will. That's so satisfying.
That's a good blank, that.
Is that to fix a vacuum leak?
That's the old Bluetooth idle control valve, that. All the kids are doing it.
That fits mint!
Yeah, I know.
That was sick.
Cheers.
Right then, Jamie.
How are we doing it? What's going on?
Good. I want to have a look at this thing. So this is Evil.
Freshly built.
Freshly built.
Just finished.
We'll talk about the engine in a minute because that is something a bit special. Quick rundown.
So 328 coupe from factory.
Yep.
Manual. It was a 2.8. Cammed. S52 cams. M3 throttle bodies. I made about 260.
Yeah. You had like one of the highest horsepower 2.8s that we knew of.
225,000 miles as well.
Really?
And it went well. It wasn't too bad.
I'll put a clip in of what it sounded like.
So it's kind of like a Club Sport M3 kind of
Yeah.
feel to it. It's comfy, but it's quick. This has been a nightmare actually, this engine.
Yeah.
I bought it Christmas before last. Put the engine in, we had pressure issues. Long story short, the crank had to come out. Overgrind on the mains. ACL mains, ACL rods, bottom end rebuild, and it's just had the Vanos done.
Yeah, because you pulled up a week ago or 2 weeks ago and it was...
It was cutting out, a splitter in, misfire.
Yeah,
backfire.
so then you had the Vanos redone.
That's it, yeah. Reddish Motorsport, check them out.
They
Best
did a good
thing
job.
they-
Yeah, they smashed it out, didn't they?
They did. One day, fixed all the issues, it's got power now.
Yeah, what do you
runs
reckon it
good.
is? 380?
With the tune, I should hope 370, 380.
Yeah.
It would be good.
I wish I could like translate on video how much this thing rips.
And it sounds amazing.
Yeah, sounds sick.
The engine is warm, by the way.
You're stoked with it, aren't you?
I'm over the moon.
He wants to see what the 2.8 in a compact's like.
Oh.
I'm going to go for a little shred. I'll be back in a minute. It is a bit busy. I'm not going to do a whole lap because that's Larry. But I might just give it a little.
What's he doing?
What's his trim on? Thumbnail priorities. Okay, we're cooking now. Yeah, nice. Let's have a look at your car then.
My car?
Yeah, we haven't actually talked about this.
My Volvo.
How did you and Andy meet? Wasn't it just Andy was breaking his 240 and you came around his house to steal some
I
bits?
literally went to buy some parts off him and he just left me in his front garden with his toolkit and went, yeah, just take what you want, mate. That's literally it.
There it is. That's what we want to see. That's a big goal.
That is unreal.
I reckon
reckon you can do show season in that, mate? The best car here.
That is actually unreal, with the spots as well.
They light up this area, so when you're driving you can't see anything. All I see is this lay up.
I still think the hammock's the best bit on that mark.
Yeah, can we see the hammock?
100%.
See the hammock
hammock's
setup, then we'll get back to the Volvo.
Yeah.
Come round the back. Yeah. Can you set it up? Put this thing in here. It's got a nice little locking system. It's like a full door. A little door lock. And then you hang the hammock on here. And then down to the left wing.
And then you sleep in there?
Sleep in there.
Ridiculous.
What camping be?
That is unreal.
Clean.
That's been to Africa.
Look at the fucking
Surely. And
I
then
just put that on, that's fresh.
I can tell.
Yes, brand new.
Look at the colour of that.
Had a dead rabbit in the other day.
That's what they put it.
They stuck it in there.
They shoved it under there and they
I bet
cooked
that
it.
stank.
It was there for 2 months. 1987 Volvo 240.
There it is.
That's a 2.3. It's only got a little turbo on it for now. It's a standard 940 turbo.
Yeah.
With a manual boost controller.
This isn't factory turbo either, is it?
No, this is. I built the engine.
Yeah.
It's got rods, but that's literally the only thing you need to upgrade because they're built like brick shit houses.
Red block.
Yeah, it was a 2 litre, built the engine, put fuel injection on it, and it just was not fast enough. So put a turbo on it, and literally after like 3 months, I've gone, it's time for a bigger one. So I've got a McLaren turbo sat at home. I'm hoping to break 300 brake.
This is like a clean version of what Andy's was.
I mean, Andy's looked very similar to this.
Yeah.
And then he hit a manhole, wasn't it? Or
Yeah.
rain-
Some sort of thing
rain
that
cover.
blew up his car. That wing as well.
Factory OEM goodies. I wish it would stay on properly though. Look. So it takes off. It's flapping around.
What do you reckon to this?
Active aero,
Yeah.
mate.
Nice.
Yeah.
Street car.
And it's very cool.
Lush, like, in it. It's all like, just nice.
That strut brace is from your old Volvo, isn't it?
Yeah. Any other parts?
The LSD. in the
LSD,
back.
yeah. Is that
Is
mine?
it?
They're mine.
And on the back, I know it's completely ridiculous, but I lost this little hockey stick. This one's actually slightly short, but this was off of the front of Andy's car.
That's from the front.
Yeah, the front and the rear are slightly different sizes, so I had to cut the back down here and then just put it on and make it stick with super glue, and it's it's on there now.
Love Volvos, man.
There you go.
Should we fire up the Barbie then?
Oh, so
Yes, please.
That
do
would
it.
be banging.
What's going on then?
Dyno day, baby.
Find out what this makes. What's your bet?
My bet,
Yeah.
117.
Nice. I'm going low. I'm saying 108.
112 stock
Yeah.
with H-cam, in air intake, exhaust, E-fan. That sounds mint. Give it a whistle.
So what is that?
117.
170.
108.
What do we get?
122.
Oh, I'm well happy with that. I'm actually over the moon with that.
That's not bad.
That's great. From stock, 112 stock.
Yeah. That's
So-
decent.
That's actually decent.
What do you reckon that'd be at the wheels? Can you find out?
No, I'm not. You'll break my heart.
Close your ears.
86? Surely not.
Yeah.
86 of the wheels?
Yeah.
It's heartbreaking.
So should we just forget that figure?
Yeah, we're going
122 brake then.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
122, call that.
Lovely.
Completely forgot to do the giveaway winner from 2 videos ago, so I've got 2 to do. So you 2 are the winners. I'll drop you a comment and email and we'll sort that out. This week, I'm going to give away a pair of sunglasses. because it's getting sunny. So if you want to win a pair of sunglasses, all you got to do is drop a comment down below. Comment anything at all. Also, I kind of might start focusing on YouTube a bit more. If you've got any things you want to see, any videos you want to see, projects, series, cars, whatever, drop it in a comment down below. If you want a pair of sunglasses. This wasn't really a very structured video, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I wasn't going to film, but then I ended up filming, so now this video is the end result of that. Just waffling now. I'm going to end the video. Cheers for watching. Drop a comment. See you next week. Bye.